and welcome to I'm the Best Mom Cover Page Cover Story, Thursday, 7 p.m. I'm the Best Mom is committed to make your motherhood a very joyful experience, and we bring a very collective information from the expert doctors, which are very much important in your journey as a mother. Now, every time we bring a doctor, sometime the expert, and today we are going to have a very, very special session. We started Om at Home at I'm the Best Mom a year before, with more than 2,500 children got benefit out of it. Extremely happy. Kaveri Banga, your teacher to a lot of children, and she has been also taught to many women who are into their prenatal and expert on yoga. Kaveri Banga, she is a yoga teacher and evaluator from Yoga Certification Board, Government of India. An expert in conducting sessions for children and prenatal yoga. She guides students to connect breath and a lot of other things. We know yoga is good for all of us. But today, with the expert himself, Dr. Anuj Rastogi sir, as a leading pediatrician, he understands a lot of butterfly effect when the parents comes to the doctor and ask many questions. But sometimes the answer is hidden within our environment, and yoga comes in our life, and that's the reason it has been recognized globally. So today's session is more towards your own involvement. So do participate, have your question towards the end of the session. We will try to have more number of answers from the expert herself and Dr. Anuj sir. So over to you, Dr. Anuj Rastogi.
Thank you, Deepmanji. I'm a pediatrician, and as you all know, I'm practicing for last many years, and there is a current change in the trend of patient. Like earlier, when I started my career, I used to see a lot of cough cold along with typhoid. Now, paradigm shift has occurred, and now I'm at least 10 patient of anxiety or stress. I'm daily I used to see, and this was not there a few years ago. So as a parent you think बच्चों में एंजाइटी स्ट्रेस नहीं होता, बच्चों में एंजाइटी स्ट्रेस बहुत है. और अब ये फास्ट वर्ड के साथ जो डिजिटलाइजेशन हुआ है, लॉकडाउन हुआ है, उससे एंजाइटी और स्ट्रेस बहुत बढ़ गया. एंड मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम मैं उन बच्चों को जब आइडेंटिफाई कर लेता हूँ ये एंजाइटी की वजह से इनके पेट में दर्द है और इनका हार्ट रेट बढ़ा हुआ है, इनको नींद नहीं आ रही है, इनको भूख नहीं लग रही है, then I have to tell them to focus on the breath or breathing exercise करो, meditation करो. So I strongly feel कि meditation अब बच्चों के लिए तो बिल्कुल compulsory होना चाहिए. जब हम पढ़ते थे तब उस समय जिम्नास्ट आया था और जिम्नास्ट करने के लिए क्लासें होती थी, तो कोई उस जिम्नास्ट करता था, कोई नहीं करता. बट मुझे ऐसा लगता है आज की तारीख में योगा की क्लास हर बच्चे के लिए उसके कैरियर को फैसिलिटेट करने के लिए होनी चाहिए. तो मैं इन्हीं बारे में अभी बात करूंगा. वेलकम टू यू मिस कावेरी ऑन दिस प्लेटफॉर्म. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू टेल मी व्हाट मोटिवेट्स यू टू टीच योगा.
Thank you so much for such warm welcome. What motivates me is the same thing which you said. These days, a lot of anxiety, stress. You know, when we were kids, हमारे टाइम पे ये सब नहीं था. मतलब स्ट्रेस मैंने कभी सुना ही नहीं. मुझे लगता है शायद मैं पहली 16-17 साल के बाद पहली बार मैंने स्ट्रेस वर्ड सुना था. एंजाइटी तो शायद सुने ही नहीं था, सिर्फ वो इंग्लिश की नोटबुक्स में, लिटरेचर में पढ़ा था. हाँ, एंजाइटी, एंशियस करके कुछ वर्ड होता है. And now these days, it may be because of the peer pressure or competition. It could be any reason. And so I came across few young kids, and they were very angry, agitated, and I thought I've already been teaching yoga for years and I've been teaching yoga, and then I thought, why not for kids? Why can't I align my energy into the direction? Even if I change one person's life, even if I change one kid's life, I think that motivated me to the core that I should do it. I was all in for it.
So, what difference you find as a teacher between the children and between the adults?
Well, huge difference. With adults, you can just train them. With adults, they follow your planner. You tell them today we are gonna do this, and they follow you. With kids, you have to follow them. You have to follow their energy. Someday they are in a different mode, or you have to align yourself with the kids. So yoga for kids is very different for the yoga for the elder ones, for the adult people. Also, you have to be really go out of the box to train them, to teach them, to actually let them imbibe the beauty of yoga. It's also so beautiful how they connect with nature. We do tree pose. So tree is firm and strong. And when you do tree pose, initially they don't find it very, may or may not. But then, it helps them align with the nature. And then they learn very fast. Kids learn very fast. You tell them you have to go upside down, you have to go for an inversion, they'll not have a second thought. With adults, they'll be like, kaise kare, hoga ki nahi hoga. So many inhibitions, so many prejudices. But with kids, it's a lot of fun, a lot of learning for the teacher. I would rather say, a teacher learns with kids, and it's the other way in the elders batch. So yes, so it's totally different. Yes.
In today's challenging time, when if you ask some mother, you take this yoga class, तो वो बोलेंगे कि इतनी ऑनलाइन क्लासें हो रही हैं, योगा का कहाँ टाइम मिलता है, खेल ही नहीं पाता। आजकल जैसे जैसे
हाँ.
क्लास बढ़ती जा रही है, उनका खेलना ही बंद होता जा रहा है, तो उन लोगों को लगता है योगा की अभी इतने छोटे बच्चे, इनको क्या जरूरत है। So is that time waste for children, or it is really productive for them, or it saves their time to study, to concentrate better, to learn better, to remember better the subject?
I think we already know the answer. It's just that if we want to give that due importance to that answer or not. है ना, हमें खुद पता है. So as we mentioned, there's so much stuck to online studies or their video games because they're so stuck with the online concept. It's very, very, very important to get into that physical mode. अब कुछ लोग ऐसे बोलेंगे, अरे नहीं नहीं, हमारा बच्चा तो बहुत हाइपर एक्टिव रहता है. So again, I would come down to the fact that जब पानी बिखरा होता है ना, तो उसे flood कहते हैं. And when the energy, so the kid is already high on activity, the kid is already high on energy. So yoga channelizes that energy. It has to flow in a direction, unidirectional. So again, if that water which is all around, if we give direction to that water, it becomes a river, which is productive, which benefits people. So again, if the kid's energy is all over the place, bring it, align it. And they need just for 15 minutes, 20 minutes, half an hour maximum. That's it. So for like hours of studies, again, one more thing which I just recalled, if you are okay, busy, you should meditate. You should meditate for roughly 20 minutes. If you're very busy, if you do not have time, you should meditate more. You should meditate for 40 minutes, 20 minutes morning, 20 minutes evening, because it makes you more productive. It gives you more energy. The busier you are, you need to meditate more and more. You need to do yoga more and more. So yoga and meditation are not again, just for our audience. So they are not very separate entities. Yoga already has pranayama, asanas, meditation. It is, so we are talking about the holistic word of yoga. Yes.
So it is not a time waste, no matter how much busy you are and how much busy you are in the classes. If you can spare some time, or you will spare some time, you will be more productive. So
yeah, so if you're busy,
सब पेरेंट्स का एक एम ये है कि उनके बच्चे बहुत अच्छे से पढ़ें और बहुत अच्छा करें. तो उसके लिए अगर वो योगा की प्रैक्टिस करते हैं तो उनका पढ़ाई बहुत आसान होने वाली है, और वो ज्यादा चीजों को समझेंगे, उन्हें अपने इमोशंस का रेगुलेशन जल्दी आ जाएगा, और वो हार और जीत का फर्क ज्यादा नहीं रखेंगे. हारने पे निराश नहीं होंगे और जीतने पे बहुत खुश नहीं होंगे. उनकी पर्सनैलिटी बहुत रोबास्ट हो जाएगी, एंड दे विल रिएक्ट टू द सिचुएशन विद पीस एंड काम माइंड. आपने भी देखा होगा, जब आप गुस्से में किसी चीज पे रिएक्ट करते हो, बाद में रियलाइज करते हो शायद ऐसे नहीं करना चाहिए था. तो ये सब इंसाइट बच्चे के अंदर शुरू से ही इनकलकेट हो जाएगा. जब वो योगा करेगा तो उसे शुरू से ही समझ में आ जाएगा कि कैसे हम कैसे रेस्पॉन्ड करें डिफरेंट सिचुएशन को. Ansari bhai, this yoga will teach us how to regulate our emotions, how to behave with our colleagues, how to behave with our elders, and how should we respond to difficult people? How should we respond? You know, if somebody is saying bad to you and you again saying back to him, then this will escalate the situation. If somebody is talking nonsense to you, if you are talking sensible or you're listening carefully and calmly, you can calm down that person also. So you learn so many things through yoga. You sleep well, you eat well, and you know what you should learn as a professional or as you are a mature adult, then it is the best thing to practice since beginning. So if you are spending 10 minutes, 20 minutes per day in the for the sake of yoga, you are saving this, you are in fact saving your time to do better in your life. So can you sum up, Kaveri, 5 main benefit of yoga?
Okay, it's difficult to sum up in five, but yes, let's talk about physical. It gives you strength, it gives you flexibility, it gives you stamina, it gives you good posture. For kids, especially, it gives you good alignment, you know. And when it comes to emotional, again, as you mentioned, we get anger, we get angry over small things, agitated. There's a lot of competitiveness. So healthy competition is good, but वो jealous या envy होना, so it keeps that emotional stability in place. Also, kids become more social. They're happy. Their basic nature is reestablished. You know, they don't lose it every now and then. Again, when you said giving back to people, no, they become more calm. They become more composed, focus, concentration. I feel, what is it that yoga cannot do? Instead we should be like, what is it that yoga cannot do? Numerous, you name a thing and it is, you can attain it with yoga.
Right. So, if I sum up all this in one word, then you will learn coping skills. When you are angry, how to cope the situation. When child is angry, how will he cope? And when he has some problem from his colleague, how will he react? So these are the coping skills which everybody must know and everybody should know how to cope with the different situation in the life. Life looks easier when you are a young child, but as you start growing up, life become more complicated. जैसा कि कहते हैं, जो जैसे जैसे आप बड़े होते हो तो जो आपका ब्रेन है वो एक स्लेट के समान है, वो स्लेट भरती चली जाती है. Then you have bombardment from here and there, and then your focus get disturbed. So with yoga, you are in line, you are calm, and your slate exists in many other things also. Can we develop intuition with yoga?
Yes, the answer is yes. And if you would, yeah, so I would elaborate on how. So we have solar plexus, something called as solar plexus, which is right above our belly button. And it is supposed to be a size of a small almond. And so if you see spiritually, it is also known for the intuition. उससे कहते हैं वो directly proportional है intuition के. So with continuous help of yoga, with continuous practicing of yoga, that solar plexus can be increased in size, as large as a fully blossomed lotus. So yes, so you keep increasing the size of the solar plexus, keep increasing intuition. So this is very technical jargon stuff, but yes, it can be done, and with regular practice of yoga. So especially Surya Namaskars, it helps a lot. So when you stay in posture number 6, those who are a regular practitioner, I'm sure a lot of people those who do yoga with us regularly or follow regular yoga at any platform are here with us. And posture number 6 is very, very good. Ashtang Namaskar. You should stay longer in that. When you take attention to your belly button or just above the belly button, keep your eyes closed. It helps you gain that intuitive ability.
Wow. So do you find it more challenges to take yoga for kids than adults? Because kids, all children are different. Age-wise also different and nature-wise also very different.
Yes, the answer is yes. It is challenging. And so I'm really happy about those challenges. It pushes me to be more creative. So challenging is in turn directly helping me to be more creative. So as I said, with kids we learn. So I get very excited because I am actually learning so much जो मैंने इतने सालों में बड़े लोगों को सिखाते नहीं सीखा शायद, वो मैंने इन कुछ सालों में I have learned while teaching kids. You know, it's just so amazing, so challenging, so creative. And when we talk about different energies of the kids, so I'm very attentive to every kid. I may not tell them in person, but I'm very attentive and I observe everyone's energy. So if there are like 50 kids in the class, I would point out the person in the right time, especially when he or she would be losing, okay, अब उसका दिमाग कहीं और जा रहा है आसना से, I would just catch and bring them back to into that energy. Sometimes you have to, sometimes kids are not in the mood to do the asanas, you know, boredom strikes them really hard. So then we play games, then we play memory games, we become more analyzing, we become more so just challenge our memory, brainstorming, so all these things, different ways, so different energies can be handled through that in a playful method, different energy.
One habit that you think kids should definitely inculcate.
Okay, I would say learn how to observe your breath. And in this, parents will play the major role, you know. So learning to observe the breath or be watchful of your breath, aka mindfulness, also known as mindfulness. Everything that you do, if you're aware of it, हम कभी गलत दिशा में जाएंगे ही नहीं, हम कभी गलत रास्ता पकड़ ही नहीं पाएंगे, हम कभी नेगेटिव इमोशंस में फंसे ही नहीं, सिर्फ इतना सा, दिस जस्ट इतना सा जिस्ट है, बी माइंडफुल. एंड हाउ डू वी बिकम माइंडफुल? Just by being watchful of the breath, just by being observant of our breath. Yes.
देखा होगा आपने, जब हमें गुस्सा आता है तो हम तेज तेज सांस लेने लगते हैं, तो उस समय हमारे स्ट्रेस हार्मोन कॉर्टिसोल सिक्रीट होने लगता है, जिससे हमारी ब्रीदिंग फास्ट हो जाती है. अगर हम इसी ब्रीदिंग को स्लो कर लें, लाइक अगर 1 मिनट में हम 6 सांस लेने लगें या 8 सांस लेने लगें, तो आप देखेंगे जो कॉर्टिसोल है, जो स्ट्रेस हार्मोन है, उसका सिक्रीशन कंट्रोल हो जाता है. जो हमारे ब्रेन का सेंटर पार्ट है, अमिगडाला है, बहुत कॉर्टिसोल सिक्रीट करता है. तो ब्रीदिंग से, इट इज टोटली साइंटिफिक, ब्रीदिंग स्लो करने से, अपनी ब्रीदिंग ऑब्जर्व करने से हमारी स्ट्रेस बहुत कम हो जाती है. हम अपने बच्चे को एक कोपिंग स्किल सिखा सकते हैं कि जब तुम्हें गुस्सा आए तो तुम थोड़ा स्लो सांस लो, बहुत धीमे धीमे सांस लो, तुम्हें अपने आप समझ आ जाएगा तुम्हें गुस्सा ठीक आ रहा है या अब तुम्हें क्या करना चाहिए, रादर देन एकदम गुस्सा आया और एकदम रिएक्ट कर दिया, रेज में चले गए. How do you make sure that the kids shoes up on the mat the next day?
Yeah, the most important part. I challenge them, I motivate them, I appreciate them, I acknowledge their efforts, and that helps them feel achieved or feel empowered or feel accomplished. And they happily turn up on the mat next day. And I feel super happy about it.
Wonderful, wonderful. You are really enjoying doing nice job. Very nice. One advice for newbies on path of yoga.
Oh yes, very important one. I would say learn under a trainer. It's very, very important. You know, a trainer knows your capacity, you know, where to take you and how to take you. Are you capable of enough to directly jump from here to here, or they can take you in baby steps? You know, a trainer, a smart trainer or a good trainer is very important if you want to go a long way and if you want to proceed or progress on the path of yoga.
Wonderful. तो आज कावेरी जी ने हमें बताया कि योगा से हम जो चिल्ड्रन योगा से हम सीखते हैं एक कोपिंग स्किल, कि डिफरेंट सिचुएशन को कैसे कोप करना है. डिसिप्लिन, जो हमें बच्चे में क्या चाहिए, हमें बच्चे में चाहिए ग्रीट, उसके अंदर एक उत्साह होना चाहिए, हारने के बाद भी जीतने का जज्बा होना चाहिए उसके अंदर, उसको हारने पे गुस्सा नहीं आना चाहिए, उसको नंबर कमाने पे गुस्सा नहीं आना चाहिए, उसको मोटिवेटेड रहना चाहिए. ये सब बातें 10-20 मिनट की योगा से ही उसके अंदर डाली जा सकती हैं. हम बच्चे को डांटते हैं, मारते हैं, उनसे कुछ नहीं होता. और बच्चों से हम रोजाना झूठ बोलते हैं, जैसे कि मेरे से इंजेक्शन लगवाने आएंगे तो बोलेंगे हमेशा कि मतलब डॉक्टर साहब आपको ये पढ़ाएंगे, आपको ये देंगे, आपको वो देंगे, उसको सीधा नहीं बोलते टीका लगवाने लाए हैं इसलिए आया। तो कभी भी बच्चों से झूठ मत बोलिए और उनको योगा सिखा के उनको काम रहना सिखाइए, उनको अपने इमोशन रेगुलेट करना सिखाइए। आपकी लाइफ भी बहुत आसान हो जाएगी और बच्चे की लाइफ भी बहुत आसान हो जाएगी। आपको जो बाहर से आपके बच्चे के लिए कंप्लेंट आ रही होंगी और वो फ्रेंड्स बनाना भी सीख जाएगा, डिफरेंट लोगों के बीच में कैसे रहना है वो सीख जाएगा। मैं देख रहा हूँ कुछ मदर भी आज हमारे साथ प्लेटफॉर्म पे हैं। नीतू जी, क्या आप बताएंगी कि आप अ, जो कावेरी जी से योगा सीख रही हैं, आपका क्या एक्सपीरियंस रहा? अर्चिता, हाँ बताइए मैम।
मैं actually thanks to the best mom. I'm the best mom and the Kaveri ma'am. Because my daughter is 6 years old. She's from the last year she's doing yoga with Kaveri ma'am, and in the full 1 year I follow her. She's improving her concentration power after meditations, yoga, and Surya Namaskar, all those things. So I am very glad to doing yoga, because from morning to full days they are busy in online class, but I suggest to every parents to give at least half an hour for yoga session. If any network issue is happen with my laptop, I am not able to join the class also, I'll tell her to do yoga in her own, and now she is doing yoga in her morning also. She is doing little yoga what she learns from Kaveri ma'am. So I am very happy with all those things.
Thank you.
Fantastic. Fantastic. Thank you so much, Archita ji. And I would like to bring this to the notice of all our audience. जो मम्मी करती है ना, वो बच्चा बहुत जल्दी पकड़ता है. अब मैं बोलूं कि एवरी वी सेड ना कि एक आदत जो बच्चे में आनी चाहिए, that be watchful of your breath. अपनी सांस को जानने की आदत या अपनी श्वास को समझने की, और जस्ट टू पुट स्लो इट डाउन, उसको स्लो करने की. कैसे आएगी? कौन सिखाएगा? मम्मी जब तक खुद नहीं करेगी तो कैसे बच्चा पकड़ेगा? So Archita, especially now that I'm so happy that she's here, it is a surprise for me. So she does with her daughter. Her daughter is so motivated because she's doing with her. She thinks कि बाकी क्लास की तरह मेरे को अकेले नहीं पढ़ाई करनी है. Mummy is also taking a part in it. One, she'll learn from her mother. Two, she'll be motivated. And three, it will stay with her for her entire life में. जो हम बचपन में सीखते हैं ना, वो हमेशा साथ रहता है. So this is very, very important. And yeah, thank you so much, Archita ji, for nice words.
I am not missing not a single session, but this Saturday, Sunday, and Monday she is missing the yoga session. So, but on 5 to 5:30 is her time for yoga.
Yeah, we don't run on Saturday,
And
Sunday,
she-
Monday. This is for our audience. That
Ah.
we keep off for 3 days. So she's saying that we miss it for 3 days. She looks forward. So we have a time of 5 to 5:30. So kids, really, I have got so many requests that why don't we make it 7 days? And we really miss. So our 5 to 5:30 is the time for yoga. This is in fact, see, again, we are developing such a nice habit कि उनके system में आ गया कि 5 से 5:30 योगा करना है. क्लास है या नहीं है, करना है.
It does not matter.
Nice.
5 to
Yes,
5:30 he is doing yoga, and she learned from that all those play things also, like memory games, picture from these things. Previously I am helping in typing all those things, but now too she can manage her own memory.
very nice.
After doing all those playing games and meditation, her memory also very sharp. Her teachers also, they are telling that Swarnasi's memory getting sharp day by day, and I think it is. As I am also a dietitian, so I give her healthy diet. But according to diet, I know the exercise is very important. Only diet growth is not going up. Mental for baby's mental and physical health depends on exercise. The diet, proper, all those things, exercise is good.
How
So
did
I'm
you know?
very glad. And I'm
Archita,
very
how
glad.
did you know about yoga for children at IBM?
Yeah. I cannot hear.
How do you know about that class, yoga class?
Yeah, actually, last year, my one friend is involved in Cognitry. She's doing job in there. So last year you are conducting this pandemic situation, how children are going in home. So my daughter gave one drawings and one performing. Then they're giving the opportunity to join the free class, free session. From that day we are starting yoga with Kaveri ma'am. Now it's going on.
So would you like to recommend to your friends?
Yeah, I refer many friends all those things.
Okay.
Many friends are doing yoga with her now.
Yes, Neetu ji, would you like to add something? आप कुछ बताना चाहेंगी नीतू जी?
So good evening. So it has been a very nice experience, and since last year also Trinav has been a part of I'm the Best Mom since last April, and he is regularly doing and getting benefited. So as Archita said that like 5 to 5:30 is the fixed time that clicks on the mind for yoga, not only to me but to Trinav as well. तो उसको भी बहुत फायदा हो रहा है सर, इसीलिए मैं चाहती थी कि कुछ स्टॉप ना हो, क्योंकि आज भी उसकी क्लासेस कुछ वैसे डिस्टर्ब हो रही थी, लेकिन वही मैं लाइक दिस वाज माय बेसिक कंसर्न कि नहीं कंटिन्यू करे और अच्छा कर रहा है प्रणव. He has learned many asanas, like all the asanas he has learned from Kaveri ma'am only. So and everyone appreciates whenever he does like yoga asanas and everything. So like I really appreciate the efforts, and like this is what the children should actually do in the morning also and in the evening also. So once they know how to do it, they are able to do that like by themselves also. So this is a very nice platform that like I have always appreciated the efforts actually.
Right, ma'am. Right. Thank you. Deepman ji, would you like to ask something? Hello, Deepman.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hi, sir. No, great having the moms today. And I'm sure that's where the government of India has also recognized our effort, and Fit India. A lot of children participated in this 21 days event, and they have received their certificate program. So we will continue. I'm the Best Mom is here to get you the right kind of information, knowledge, and wellness. And it is indeed a great to have Kaveri Banga as a teacher to you all. And one of the point you raised, it's important for the moms, even moms to be. So they are also learning yoga. And we also require your continuous support. Spread it. Since you are getting benefit, let the other also get the benefit. It's absolutely available every evening. So something like sometime it's with yoga and with language program, which you all are also knowing. So French language is also coming up again with, we'll let you know with the structured way. And any other input, any other suggestions, please feel free to share with us. That will help us to do much more better. And a few questions here, Kaveri, ma'am, if you can address, does the yoga mat thickness matter?
Yes, it kind of does, but for kids, it doesn't matter much. They are the floor kids, the ground ones. For others, yes, because, it's about the knees, especially when you place the knees on the mat. The thickness matters. You need to have a thicker mat then. But you also have an option of holding your towel or place some small, tiny cushion, thin cushion. So you'll have a lot of options to that. So if you have a thin mat, use cushion.
Right. I think that's the answer to two of the moms probably. And if you have any more questions, please do post in the Q&A section. When the children are doing yoga, and as we could hear many questions coming from Dr. Anu sir, improving focus, memory, self-esteem, inattentiveness, hyperactivity, impulsive. So these are all we are talking about where we are having the right kind of control to stress. That's what we are getting. But yes, the real mantra is when you do it judiciously, regularly.
More you done, more you done, more you do, more you learn, more you earn. Everything.
Absolutely.
And more you gain.
Yeah.
So this is indeed a great journey of I'm the Best Mom with so many children, and a lot of appreciation on the chat box for the team, and what type of yoga a child have to do to improve the breathing. This has been asked by Anjali Tyagi.
Okay, first you do the breathing. Just take slow deep breaths. So, okay, I'll just teach you 3 quick pointers for deep breaths. 1, breathe in from the nostril, breathe out from the nostril. 2, noise free breath. सांस ले रहे हैं इतनी धीमी, खुद को हल्की बहुत आ सकती है, बाजू में कोई बैठा है उसको नहीं आनी चाहिए. मतलब आई एम जस्ट गिविंग यू द क्विक पॉइंटर्स. 3, when you breathe in, the belly should go out. When you breathe out, the belly should go in. So feel that this is a balloon. So many people are breathing, they have a different pattern of breathing. So imagine this is a balloon. So जब गुब्बारे में हवा भरते हैं, so it becomes big, it enlarges. And as you breathe out, the air pops out and the belly goes in. Just remember these 3 points. Your breath will automatically become slow. So once you know how to drive your own breath, you can definitely help your kids. You know, it's the same. The instructions are the same for kids. You'll have to find creative ways, or you can enroll them to our class. Easy, easy peasy.
So that's where you come into picture. Yoga in a playway method. I think that's the most interesting thing happening in the I'm the Best Mom. Otherwise, yoga is sometimes too much within the control environment. So here the kids are enjoying and having a good time. So we can have the session more tomorrow while the kids are joining for the actual session program. But even the moms are interested to learn, they can also come and participate and learn, because the kids are not young adults. We need to have a lot of patience, and I'm sure they will learn, they will fail, they will jump, they will have complaint why my child is not on focus, or maybe sometime why too much of focus. So we will have it. So thank you so much, all the attendees today. And we are already running more than 300 plus live session, which is indeed a commendable job by I'm the Best Mom. And thank you so much, Kaveri ma'am, for your coaching to the children and to the moms to be. Any other question? Please do send us at info@imthebestmom.com. We will take it personally if you have any specific question for future. Dr. Anu sir, any other message for the audience?
So this is the need of our. The way I am observing children, they are changing and they are feeling. Recently, I saw one girl who was only 2.5 years old, and who was pulled by her parents from both the hands. And thereafter, she stopped moving her hand and she became cranky, and she remained cranky for 6-7 days. She had been to many doctors and X-ray, blood test, all were normal. And then they finally came to me, and I just saw her, and I did not find anything wrong with her. I understood there was something emotionally wrong with her. She was disturbed why she was pulled like that by her parents, because she was already a pampered child, and she felt it very bad. Why they have pulled me like that? I've given her a little tablet, little anti-anxiety, and thereafter she was changed child. And since then she's doing really well. So it is 2.5 year old who is feeling so sensitive about this thing. Why her parents have picked her like that, pulled her hands. So imagine the children become more sensitive. They are over mature. They are more mature for their age. So this is the only way. Anti-anxiety is no way to treat them. It is only to just buy the time or just control that symptomatology. But in long run, the only way to get her correct, or all the children to get them at the right track, is yoga. Nothing else but yoga. This is the best brain tonic and best tonic for the children. And from according to me, from 1 to 10, yoga is the best medicine for them, and thereafter other things come.
Thank you so much, Dr. Anu sir, and to the other moms who could attend today's thank you so much for your time, both to Archita ma'am and Neetu ma'am, and
Thank you.
thank you very for your time as well for the evening, and thank you so much all the attendees. So if you have not received your ebook, please log into imthebestmom.com. Please have your own copy. There are a lot of information which will help you in your journey being a mother. So thank you so much and have a wonderful night ahead.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
अरे रियो, तुम ये क्या कर रहे हो? आ जाओ यहाँ हमारे साथ योगा कर लो।
अरे नहीं जेजी, मुझे नहीं करना योगा सोगा, मैं तो ऐसे ही ठीक हूँ।
ओके।
इस बार डांस कंपटीशन में टॉप करा है जेजी तारा ने। इसी के साथ स्पोर्ट्स कंपटीशन में भी फर्स्ट आया है जेजी तारा। अपने क्लास में भी टॉप पर आया है जेजी तारा।
यार ये जेजी ऐसा कैसे कर लेता है?
पता नहीं, चलो जेजी से ही पूछते हैं।
जेजी ये सब कैसे कर लेते हो? यार ये स्कूल में फर्स्ट प्राइज, डांस कंपटीशन में फर्स्ट प्राइज, स्पोर्ट्स में भी फर्स्ट प्राइज।
ये तो सब योगा से।
अच्छा।
हाँ रियो।
अच्छा हमें भी बताओ।
आओ बैठो। अपनी आंखें बंद करके लंबी व गहरी सांस लो। अब आंखें बंद करके सोचो जो बनना चाहते हो और उस काम को करते हुए देखो और खुश रहो। बस इतना आसान है।
थैंक यू जेजी, आज से हम भी योगा रोज करेंगे।
Thank you so much. Good night, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.